Ah! Create with Jeff! Hey, welcome back to another Create with Jeff video. I'm here with another small tip for you, a small tutorial on how to use the smudge tool in Procreate. It's the icon that looks like a finger between the brush tool and the eraser tool over at the top right of the screen. So use the smudge tool, click on it, click a brush, a texture. I'm going to use clouds because my landscape already has clouds in it. It's pretty foggy, and you can see I'm going to smudge it. I'm going to combine it as almost as if I were smudging ink on paper with my finger. See, that's what it can achieve. Hope you enjoyed. This has been the new tutorial, and see you next time. Later.